Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's the girl Lindsey, and today we'll be doing some jumbo Senegalese twist. Like, I've been trying to do this style for the longest time and I finally got around to it. So I'm starting out with freshly washed and blow dried hair. That's just how I like to stretch my hair. Well, I never really have enough time for like weight to do like a heatless stretch, so I blow dried my hair on low heat. But I mean, you do you. So I'm just trying to like get my parts as neat as possible. If you like peep in the background, you can see my semi-struggle mirror there. That's how I usually part my hair. I have two mirrors, one in the front, one in the back, and I'm just trying to neaten up the parts as best as I could. Like, you guys don't even know how I almost got creek neck and I was like busting my neck literally to get this part as best as I could. Like, this video doesn't even show you guys the mess I was going through. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I just did my hair in some loose twists just to keep the parts in place, and then I'm gonna grab this Harlem 125 pre-stretched vinegar rinsed braiding hair. I think it's in like 50 inches. It's itchless, pre-stretched, pre-feathered. Then I'm gonna grab my shine and jam and edge booster edge control and get the party started. So what I like to do is just add a little bit of the edge control to my roots. Then I'm gonna grab my rat tail comb and just kind of define the parts even more. Doing this little trick just helps to make your parts just a little bit cleaner, a little bit crisper, like you're just parting through that gel. It's what I say the professional them do, and it kind of does the job. So just a little tip there. Then when I'm done with my part, I'm just gonna grab some more edge control and put it all along the length of my hair. Keeping the gel on your hair is just what keeps your hair in place and hidden away in the braid. I'm gonna just judge how much braiding hair I'm gonna use for the braid. If you have a braiding rack, you know, this is a bit easier, but I don't know, I just usually just judge it and, you know, to what size that I want. So I'm gonna twine the hair a little bit, and then I'm gonna separate that section of my hair and put the braiding hair in between that section. Then I'm gonna put my hair over it and grab a rubber band. I did soak it in oil, but my hair is pretty moisturized, so the rubber band had enough slip. And then I'm gonna tie it over my hair about maybe 4 to 5 times, not too tight because it is a protective style. Then I'm gonna just pull my hair and the rubber band is gonna go all the way down to the root. So now that I've gotten it, you know, as tight as I want, because it's twists and twists can tend to come out like easier than braids, I did braid the roots of the hair maybe just like 2-3 times. And then as you can see, I just keep adding more gel because I want to hide my hair as much as I can. So after I braided it maybe 2 or 3 times, maybe even 4, because I separated the hair in 3 just to start off with a braid. Then I separated the hair in 2 and I did a twist. Okay, so for the twist, how I did it, I just had the hair like I twined it in the direction of the right and then I overlapped it in the opposite direction. You can see me kind of exaggerating the motion to show you guys. For both strands of hair, I moved it towards the right in a clockwise direction, while at the same time I overlapped in an anti-clockwise direction to kind of get that rope effect. Hope that makes sense, but I show you better than I can tell you. And then I just continued that same roping like motion, adding more gel just to hide my hair. And I'm exaggerating the motion just to show you guys. So each strand, each section that is, I moved it like in a clockwise direction. You can see my wrist moving towards the right, and then I overlapped it in a counterclockwise direction just to get that rope effect. And I try to do it as tightly as possible because I know as soon as I let go, this twist is gonna get looser. So I follow that motion all the way down to the end of the twist, and then as soon as I let go, it got looser. So as I let go and I realized that maybe the twist kinked here and there, it was a little bit too loose, I just use my hands to kind of roll it and form it and twine it into the way I want it to fall. So it's the same motion to complete the rest of the twist. Just adding the gel to the roots, adding the gel all along the, you know, the length of your hair, keeping those parts clean, adding the hair, and then putting my rubber bands over it, twisting in the clockwise direction or any direction once it's the same direction, and folding it in the opposite direction to get the rope effect. So I'm gonna show you guys way better than I can tell you. So I'm just grabbing my scissors and clipping off those excess frizzy hairs, you know, those hairs that like to poke out when you finish braiding, just to neaten it up a little bit. Then I'm gonna use my Vigora mousse and put it all over the hair. This is like low-key my favorite part of any braiding style. It just sets the hair and adds that extra oomph. And you know I'm gonna do my edges. You don't need to do this part if you don't want to. And then I'm just gonna add some gold string and gold jewels just to finish up the look. And I gotta oil my scalp, like, cause dry scalp, yeah, that's me, and my luster's pink oil sheen. And we are finally done. Okay, alright guys, so I really do love this look. It took me about 5 hours to complete. I'm a slow braider, slow twister, so it's okay, we got the job done. And I added those gold jewels and gold strings from my local beauty supply store. Thanks so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and follow me on all socials at __ Lindsey Beth. Like, this look can last you about like a month. Quick, it's so quick, so easy. Rubber band method, or you can crochet it if you want to. But I really did love this look, and I did so many different styles with it. It's a great protective style. It wasn't heavy at all. And alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Till next time, bye guys.